Okay, before I go, I'm going to try and get this in before they get too crazy. We do have the winners for the Facebook one coming up today. I keep saying I'm going to do it, but I keep forgetting. I'm so terrible. So, and here they come again, them terrible little turds. Alrighty. Oh, I need my web stuffs, my webbies, my interwebs. Here we go. Commentpicker.com. So, and it's terrible because I don't think I have the link. So we're going to hit add. We're going to go to Facebook. Oops. Oh, here they come again. Okay, so this is my Facebook for my book account. I have one for that. So we're going to do Lynn Churchwell. Right there. That's me. And then, oh, oops. Actually, we need to do lilmissdasie. Search. That's it. Okay, so I should probably add this secondary Facebook as an account manager, don't you think? It'd be a good idea. That way I can access it easier. So that one is not it. Here we go. No. Okay, so I know it's on here somewhere. Nope, it's not that far down. IKEA. Okay, here's the new journals that just came out. Okay, so it's gotta be working on it diligently. Some good outlays waste. Okay. We just hit over 1,000 or 100 likes. So, let's try hit comment. No. I want to copy this one. I can't do that. Well, son of a biscuit eater. Well, I will come back to you guys in a moment. Okay, guys, it took me a second, but I had to set up my other Facebook account to be an admin on my lilmissdasie page. So, for those of you who are interested, I have 100 followers on here now. So I decided to do a small giveaway, and I want you all to obviously stay tuned for a few minutes. The Air Force Base is quieted down a little bit. Hopefully it'll stay that way. I think I'm going to upload this video today. It is Thursday. If you see I got a bunch of crazy on the desk, that's because I just got done filming for a tutorial for Friday. I hope you all want to join for that loveliness. It is going to be the scrap pack tutorial that everyone has been hoping for. So, alright, we have here, well, we just hit over 100 likes, ladies, so please comment on this post before the end of the week to be entered for a small little prize. This one will be within the US this time. Sorry for those of you who are international. I know I did have one international comment. So you will be null and void. If the comment picker picks you, I will roll the dice again. So, all of my LMD lovelies, good luck, and I hope that somebody wins. So let's go ahead and see. Oh, okay. So okay, here we go. Okay, how come it's not? Well, this is not what I wanted. I was hoping, because on my phone I can do it. Okay, so I'm going to have to copy this link using my phone because for some reason the tablet will not do it. I am sorry, guys. And I don't want you guys to think that this thing is not legit because I do it that way. Let's see if I can do it online. So let's go to Facebook desktop. Here we go. Actually, we're gonna have to do it this way. So, settings. I want desktop login. I know it's usually all the way at the bottom. It's been a long time. Here we go. No, I don't need to clear my browser history. That's not creepy. Oh, dude, ads. Interesting. Oh, I feel like I ding dong. Okay, I'm just gonna do this on my phone, guys, and I'm gonna send myself the link. I'll obviously feature the link in the bottom of this video. That way you guys can click on it and legitimately know that it links back to my Facebook comment. So, give me a moment. And I recorded without hooking up audio again. Okay, guys, let's try this again. So, I just sent myself the link from my phone because, you know, I use my phone for recording. So, here is the link here. And we're going to copy. Okay, what I want to do is I'm going to click on the link so you guys know exactly where it goes. Log in. Oh. See, it takes you directly to the website here. If you guys are already logged into Facebook, you should be able to click that link. And it'll take you directly to that website. So, comment picker. Let's go ahead and we're going to copy and paste. How come you're not working? Okay, we're going to go to clipboard. How come? What in the world is going on here? Okay, let's try this again. Alright, everybody. As you all know, I film with my phone. So here's the link. And this tablet is being a pain in my patootie. So we're going to copy the link, and I will leave this link in the description box for those of you who have Facebook. You can click on it, and it will take you right to the Facebook site, so you guys know, or the Facebook post, so that way you guys know it's legit. So we're going to go into our internet settings, comment picker, random comment picker. And then we are going to, why aren't you working? There we go, paste. Ha ha ha. I hope that works. Alrighty. Now, we're going to start. It is, why? Okay, got it. Start. Pick me a person. Okay. Please log in. I don't remember any of that random stuff. Alright, let's try. I don't want you guys to know this information. Thank you. Okay. Now, let's try this again. Okay, clipboard, search. Amount of unique comments, 7. Start. Oh my goodness, you are just a lucky ducky, dear. Sorry, but we're going to have to do this again. Oh, pick another winner. Start. Man, today's just your lucky day. My channel is your lucky week. Okay, Laura Jenkins. Lovely lady. If you live in the United States, please don't anyone spoil it for her. Let her watch the video. I request. Please send me some information. If you don't come to the video by the end of the day, then tomorrow I will try and contact you and let you know that you've won. I will need you to either email me your address. You can send it to me on Messenger, Instagram Messenger. Any of those sites will work. All of the information is down in the description box. Again, the link that I used, which you guys seen me copy and paste here, facebook.com, will also be featured in the description box since we were having technical issues. That way you can click directly on this link right here, and so you guys know that it is the proper link. We're going to go to the interwebs. We're going to add another one. And we're going to paste and hit search. Oh, and of course I don't know what's going on with this silly thing. I'm so sorry, guys. But anyway, you should be able to click on that link and Google should be able to take you straight to it. I don't use Apple products very often. As you can tell, I'm not very tech savvy when it comes to them. I am an Android girl. I'm a Samsung girl. Almost everything in my house is Samsung because that's who I like. I'm not, advertising for them. That's just my preference. I've never had any issues with their stuff. So, just so you all know, that is who won. I will be getting in contact with her and letting her know that she is my finalist. So, sorry, Karina. I know you were probably looking forward to another surprise. Apparently you are pretty lucky in this game on my channel. So definitely, keep commenting on any of my future projects. I know you will, lovely lady, because you have been very supportive. But Laura, Miss Laura, I am so excited for you. What you will be winning is one of the 5 scrap packs that I finish this coming week. Stay tuned for the last video for decorating this specific one, and any requests throughout the video coming out tomorrow. I did shout out for any requests for anything you guys would like me to try. I will try those on one of the other 5 to 6 scrap packs and get back with you. It is currently 1:40 here, so I have to get going. Bye!